Welcome back to Daytime Live. Spragga Benz is still with us and is going to perform his new single, Differ.
Yes. Yes. Spragga, I'm excited to hear it. I've heard it before, but to see it live. So it's been a while since you've actually been here in Jamaica. You've been a lot more in the UK. So I'm going to fast. No, what you doing here? Not that I'm not happy, but I'm just checking what's going on with Spragga being in Jamaica.
Well, it's not that. I'm always here still, kind of low-key same way. But now I have the new single and the album coming, so we have to start the road.
Nice.
You can tell us about when we can expect the album drop. What way?
More say probably about late May.
Oh.
Yeah, about late May.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward.
It's been recorded for a while, and released. This is the third single now.
Okay. Yeah, you like to sometimes work under the quiet and then you just pounce out with something.
You can't dip on top of everything at all time, you have to give things space to breathe.
Like it. How is Red Square doing?
Very well, very well. We have a lot of promising artists. We always have new people.
Yes.
We have Amla Red Square who's present today. We have Cyclone who just had a #1 album on the Billboard charts. That's a great thing. Have some new singles, Bitter So Sicker, and a whole host of artists.
Okay.
We're doing great.
Now, Differ has that really hardcore sound that we've always known you for.
Yeah.
I think there was a time maybe that hardcore sound kind of took a break. Maybe you gave it a breather. So is the album going to be sounding like that hardcore sound, or it's a variation and a difference with everything kind of mixed in?
All right. The album is titled Chillagan, which is a 1,000-sided object. So, you see me?
A 1,000 sides?
A 1,000 sides. So it's so many sides, it looks like a circle then.
So exactly.
I think I get
different
it. Aspects of
all
Spragga
kind of
Benz.
different things
but
about
mainly
Spragga.
UK vibes though.
Okay. That's
Right.
going to be interesting.
And I mean, next big thing for you as well, you'll be doing a show with Buju in Barbados in April.
Yes.
How are you looking forward to that? What's the vibe
Yeah,
like?
definitely I look forward to that, More there Jamaica for watch the show, but definitely I look forward to sharing stage as well. We ain't one that's going to be on that show, so it's coming like a family reunion.
Nice. Yeah. I'm excited. So, how do we just link up with you on social media? How we find you?
Spragga Benz 3, with a number 3 at
Spragga
the end.
Benz 3. You write it down for me?
Spragga.
All right, so Spragga, we're going to make you take it away. You're going to perform Differ for us. It's one of the newest singles coming out of Spragga Benz right now here on Daytime Live. Give it up for Spragga Benz.
Yeah. And some do it is me, Spragga B. Yeah, alongside the whole family. Yeah. And you see what me I say? Them not there want me there. Not time. See? Why? Because me differ, me thing just differ. Me just differ, my style just differ. Me just differ, my song just differ, my flex just differ, the rest just differ, my sharp and richer, my thing just differ. Me just differ, my style just differ. Me just differ, my song just differ, the flex just differ, the thing just differ. Well, in the liver, when I met Differ, a whiff of her smell like an angel with her. Me think ever miss her. She look crisper than anything that I've ever seen in a picture. I've that whipper, her eyes, her lipper, from ties, her hipper, design just fit her. So, my pick her, remove her knicker, give her that pressure, come quicker, because me differ, my thing just differ. Just differ, my style just differ. Me just differ, my song just differ, the flex just differ, the rest just differ, my sharp and richer, everything just differ. Me just differ, the style just differ. Me just differ, the song just differ, the flex just differ, the whole thing differ. Well, me no quarrel, no, me no bicker, me don't use drugs or abuse hard liquor. Me use Facebook and me like IG. Me no like Snapchat, but me cool with Twitter. Power with Amla, but power with bitter, so sicker. RSI hard hitters, and when we arrive, enough of them get jitter, because them nervous, I be a chat chitter. No, your girl, my youth, what's with her? She just start move like some me permit her. She act like she like her wicker. She moving like love but bitter. What not herself till she got my snicker. We not that close and she want me kiss her. Cry and say I when they stick her. Overturn and just because me differ. My thing just differ. Just differ, my style just differ. We just differ, my song just differ. The flex just differ, the rest just differ. My sharp and richer, my thing just differ. We just differ, the style just differ. We just differ, the song just differ. And it remix to come my thing just differ from the rest, yeah. And the beginners I says, girl reach ecstasy without X. Yeah, bleep, 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 bleep.
Differ.
We'll keep it daytime.
Listen, I love all your music, right? And when I'm listening to this, I'm getting this feel that I can mix it with run things.
And if I run things, run things,
different.
Yeah, select, I see it's in our blood.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm just checking it out.
You're just checking it. You're just feeling it.
Yeah, man. I just-
Yeah.
No, let's talk about the production. Toddler T.
Tality, yes.
Toddler T. So what was it like working with him? How did you guys come up with this kind of sound and mix and lyrics and everything?
Alright, first we have to big up Buttercuts record, Andy Ori. And Andy, he was one telling me that, yo, Spragga, this Tality, and he's just wicked, man. And it's just gonna be great you working with him. So we never know who Toddler is, but to the way Andy just excited.
Yes, you
and
excited
I said, yo,
too.
alright, let's go. So we went to the studio, and Toddler was a person like myself. I'm kind of reclusive. I'm only like a student in a box. And I said, alright, play some stuff for me, and him play this track first. And he never even need to play a second track.
You just know,
Yeah,
I'm just know this, you know, ideas start come and start things same time like English vibe, the liffer and all them kind of things. So, you know, cause we are going at the elevator. I said, let's go to the liffer. And I said, all right, cool. And from there, like, just going to voice booth and like,
It
Yeah,
just
man.
roll
flowed.
out.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
flowed.
I love
And it's
it.
available now for download.
Yeah, it's available
man.
now.
Yes.
But I
And
mean,
we
apart
did the
from-
remix as well, and I don't know, family have to involve Sean Paul, Agent Sasko, Ching
Wow,
Ching.
remix.
So,
What?
yeah, I actually 2 videos for
What?
the song. 3 videos as a matter of fact.
So
we
wait,
just love
do
it.
you
It
have
just
a
happen
thumb
different.
drive with all of that on you right now?
Not
Right?
all of
before
that, you know, because
No,
some-
man.
some-
Remember, you can follow
some just being
Spragga
mixed.
Benz 3.
Yeah.
Yes, Spragga
Yeah.
Benz
I get all of that
3,
for you,
right?
yeah.
And I'm
Yeah.
sure we're gonna have it too on Daytime Live soon again, right?
Yeah.
Seeing that we got engaged and stuff.
Yeah.
Speaking of engaged, we remember you can't. Well, first of all, you need to tune
We
in. on
never
Tuesday
engage, we
for us,
skip
but-
the part.
skip that part,
We're
we get
married.
married.
Yes,
We're
yeah.
married.
Yeah.
We can't talk now
Oh,
because
sorry, go
husband
ahead.
and wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, tune in on Tuesday for our Valentine's special. And remember,
what do I have to do to actually?
you can send us
know?
a message on Facebook if you're single. First of all, because we don't go tolerate any mess. But
We need a lot
We need
more
more women to be entering.
So ladies,
Yes.
come on, don't be shy. Send in your information on our Facebook page. We want a picture of you. Message us and your information, your telephone number. Our producer will contact you, and
Yes.
you could just end up meeting your husband. Pan with me, right? On
all right.
Daytime
So
Live.
while she starts that, so remember also we'll show you the coupon.
All right,
Taylor
so
for Taste.
Taylor for Taste
comes
is
second.
happening 5:05 p.m. on Sunday. You don't want to miss it right here on TVJ. So it's a cook-off, right, with Nishayen, Craigie and me. Yes, we were paired with the Taylor for Taste chefs. They're amazing. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting. You want to watch it, and don't believe what you watch. I actually won. Okay, it's a trick. I didn't
We
win.
know who win yet. We
I
don't know
didn't
who win
win.
yet.
Me just tell you.
Thank you for
I didn't
tuning
win.
in. Catch us again Tuesday for Buzz, Chat, Vibe, and Mix.
And our
And
Valentine
Grammys on
special,
Sunday.
Grammys.
Grammys on Sunday.
Alright, differ. So I just
Okay,
differ.
alright.
Differ. And
Thank you for
daytime
tuning
life
in.
just differ.
Yes.
And everything just differ.
And it's just different. Just different. A different thing.
Yeah, you know.
See what me I say? Mad thing.
Hey, why?
Differ.
Just, style just,
Differ.
my just, the flex just, my sharp and the thing just, which does richer, everything does differ, everything does differ, everything does
Differ.
just differ, my style just differ, everything just mad, you know?
Differ.
Yeah, I win a quarrel, I win a bicker, we don't use drugs, some use hard liquor, use Facebook, we like IG, when I like Snapchat, we cool with Twitter, power with Amlock, and bitter.